Oh, hang on, I just wanted to walk in natural.
You bloody idiot, Ian. What are you doing?
I'll just walk in natural.
Hope Vince is watching. He's been asking for me all this time.
I will see by the comments. All right, let's start again.
Just do it like you bloody mean it, you idiot.
All right, just shut up. All right, here we go. G'day, how you going? Ianapolis here, your acrylic guru from Australia. Welcome to my video. Today I'll get the sign. Fucking hell, what do you mean today? Hang on, do it again. Welcome to my video. Today I want to show you how to do some perspective and some perspective.
The fuck's wrong?
Just trying to think of the word. Okay, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you. Welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you beginners, how to do some perspective in your paintings. But before we get started, I want to get the size of the canvas up there and also get the colours running up the screen that I'm going to use in this video. Alright, so there's going to be some snow. I've got some colours laid out here. You saw the picture in the opening credits and I'm just blabbling shit. Hang on. Colours are going up the screen. Okay, so come on over here and let's get right into it. You saw the picture in the opening credits, so come on over here and let's get right into it. Bloody hell.
It's that easy.
So we'll get that into my brush and bring that down to the horizon line.
Get up there, you bastard. What the fuck's going on here?
Move that camera a little, buddy.
I'm fucking trying. I'm not...
Don't swear. There we go. Okay, from there, is it still on yet? All right, so I'll get this from the top. Now my sky's done. I was gonna not put, do that again. Now my sky's done. I wasn't gonna put any clouds, but I just wanna sort of put something there to sit it down so it doesn't look so naked.
What's the best way to do some clouds, Ian?
White and yellow. So I've got some titanium white here. Where's the, get some more white. Yeah, dickhead, there we go. Okay, now I'm grabbing some white.
What the fuck you doing?
I'm just playing around here. It looks a bit, I don't know, I'm just getting some of this in front of the sun there. And play with it until you're happy with the vibe of it all.
It's all about that fucking vibe, isn't it, Ian? You and your fucking vibe.
Shut your mouth.
How you going, Vince? You've been asking where I've been while I'm fucking here, alright? Wherever you're from, let me know in the comments.
Fucking monitor keeps going out. I'll get some of this, maybe just tossing along there and up a bit.
That's nearly 4 minutes, that file, Ian. What the fuck you doing?
Trying to show them what to do. Shut your mouth. Get over there, you mongrel. Okay. I've added the slightest bit of white to that dead wood colour and the tops. There we go. So I'm grabbing my, oh, wrong brush. Where's my filbert?
Is that camera on? Yeah, it is on, you dickhead. Why you got on so early for?
Fuck if I know. Alright. I just want to make sure it doesn't turn off. Okay, where are we? So I've got my filbert. I'll turn it on. Okay, how am I going to do this? Alright. So about there, I'm going to have snow caps. I'm going to put bits there to separate this colour and the white colour. So this is going to go on like so.
Whoa, boy, whoa, take it easy.
Okay. There we go. That's not too shabby. We've got a beautiful glaring sun over the snowy capped hills there with a beautiful cold lake. And with a bit of practice, I know you can do it.
What are you doing now?
I'm just going to do the outro. And I know you can do it. All right, I had a lot of fun doing that. I hope you enjoyed the show. Give me the... No, what is it there? Hope you enjoyed the show. All right. And I know you can do it. Well, I had a lot of fun doing that. I hope you liked the video and you learnt something along the way. Be sure to tell your friends if you like what I'm doing. But if you don't like what I'm doing, you tell everybody. Also, have a look at this other video of mine I got on my Also, have a look at this other video I've got on my YouTube channel here. Goodbye, good luck, and good on ya.